Good morning, guys. So today we are going to be planning our mythical story, but as always, we've got a few other bits to do first, starting with our word of the day. So today our word of the day is nightmarish, and if something is nightmarish, then it is describing something that's awful or frightening and frightening. So today I want us to focus on one of these four purple tasks, as always. I think the words within words is quite fun, so have a go at that one if you would like. You've also got to write an alliterative sentence, including the words. So that means a sentence using as many words with the letter N as possible. You can do word families, so think of as many other words that end in ish, like nightmarish, or you could do the news narration and perform a radio or television news story of no more than 3 sentences using that word. So have a go at one of those four, please. Once you've done that, we're going to move on to our text. So we've got our comprehension, and today we've got 3 listening questions. So there are the 3 listening questions. Which 3 things did the narrator say he wanted to be? Why does he want to be a range of mountains? And why was it important to them that the child says something that they understand? And this is your text. So I'll read it through. You guys need to think about those 3 questions. I told them, when I grow up, I'm not going to be a scientist or someone who reads the news on TV. No, a million birds will fly through me. I'm going to be a tree. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I told them, when I grow up, I'm not going to be an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer, or an MC. No, huge whales will swim in me. I'm going to be an ocean. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I told them, I'm not going to be a DJ, a computer programmer, a musician, or beautician. No, streams will flow through me. I'll be the home of eagles. I'll be full of nooks, crannies, valleys, and fountains. I'm going to be a range of mountains. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I asked them, just what do you think I am? Just a child, they said. And children always become at least one of the things we want them to be. They do not understand me. I'll be a stable if I want, smelling of fresh hay. I'll be a lost glade in which unicorns still play. They do not realize I can fulfill any ambition. They do not realize among them walks a magician. So you need to have a go at answering those 3 questions that are on the screen now to do with that text. Feel free to go and read about yourself to help you answer those questions. And scroll down to our English for the day. So we started off looking at that text yesterday. You should have gone through and found all of those different features we were talking about. Today is your chance to plan it, all right? So we're up to normal. We've got used to online learning now on a normal style story of 5 paragraphs. You can see here I've written you a short brief of what your paragraph should be on. So paragraph 1, the introduction. 2, setting off on the journey. 3, battling the monster. 4, defeating the monster. And 5, returning home victorious. So you guys need to have a go at planning your story with each of those paragraphs being about those headings, okay? I've put in some questions you can read, and you need to try and answer those questions in your plans. So for instance, paragraph 1 is obviously introducing the characters and the setting. Paragraph 2, you need to answer where they're going, why they're going there, what do they need to do. Paragraph 3, battling the monster, make it a descriptive battle. It can have a fight scene. Is it easy? Do they almost lose the battle? 4, defeating the monster. So when the monster dies, what happens? Do they have to rescue anyone? Could there be some sort of supernatural event that happens when the monster dies? And then paragraph 5, returning home victorious. What happens when they go home? And do they become king, queen? That kind of thing. Is it a happy or a sad ending? So you need to have a go at planning your story in bullet points today. We'll be writing it tomorrow. So you get a nice plan set up today so you're ready to do your writing tomorrow, all right? Good luck, guys. I'll see you later.